Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by blocking the penguin's mass. Draw a light oval for the body and a smaller circle for the head, overlapping about 1/3. Once done, add a vertical axis and tilt it 10 to 15 degrees to suggest posture. You're establishing proportions now, not details, so keep lines faint. Make sure to note the center line for facial placement and a horizontal guide where the belly meets the chest. This determines wing and flipper attachment points. Now refine anatomy. Carve the chest curve and taper the lower body into a tail wedge so the penguin reads stable. You should draw flippers as tapered ovals attached at mid-body, angling them slightly backward to match balance. Next, place the beak along the head axis and set the eye just above midline. That spacing gives character. While refining, erase excess construction where confident and keep weighting heavier lines where shadow and volume will be strongest. Finish by solidifying outlines and adding selective detail. Darken the main contours, then apply feather texture sparingly around the neck and belly so you don't overwork the drawing. Once done, shade under the belly, the underside of flippers, and the area behind the eye to sell volume. Use crosshatch or a soft gradient depending on your tool. Make sure to add a bright catchlight in the eye and a subtle highlight on the beak. Then step back and tweak contrast for a readable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.